Hey everybody, welcome back to another video from Prooffdays. Today we're going to be installing some jack points for the Supra. It's going to make it a lot easier for tire changes, maintenance, all that stuff. So stay tuned and follow along. The current jack points for this car are these things right here. These are little plastic jack cups, I guess you would say. This is an insert for the jack to go in. You have to use little square rectangular rubber inserts to try and jack the car up. They're made of plastic, they crack, they break. Not everybody uses them correctly, so it's just nice to have something more robust installed on the car. All right guys, I wanted to talk to you about what all comes in the box. We get 4 jack pucks, 4 of each hardware, and 4 O-rings. All right, some things you're gonna need for the install is some type of hard interior trim tool, another flat object, whether it's a trim tool or a flathead, and then a 3/16 Allen key. Something to make it a lot easier is going to be this tube of grease or any grease that you have. It's going to help keep the O-ring inside the jack puck. Okay, for the grease, what we're going to do is we're going to take our jack puck and this retention area here that we're going to put the O-ring in, we're going to take some grease and we're actually going to put it in the trough all the way around. Once we do that, the O-ring will actually stick in there and it'll be a lot easier to install. We're back under the car. We're going to take our interior trim tool and we're going to insert from one side. You're going to push inward toward the center of it and pry downward. Now before you work on the other side, take your other flat piece of whatever and insert on the side you just pulled down. That's going to keep it from re-engaging. So keep that there. Next, we're going to go to the other side and do the same thing. All right. And you can see how that looks. Next, we're going to go ahead and get our jack puck. We're going to put that grease inside that trough there, all the way around. And insert your O-ring. You can see the grease is going to hold it in there real good. A little bit easier to work with. It might be a little hard for you guys to see, but you're going to orient your retention screw to go inside that oval groove in the middle. And then once you get it in there, you're going to rotate 90 degrees the screw and then come back down. Now it's best to actually visually check it and make sure it indexed correctly, because you will be able to see it on the side, and mine did. So now we're going to start tightening it down. And while you're tightening, pull down away from the car to hold that retention screw in place. That way it doesn't twist on you. And this is going to go to the German torque setting of good and tight. And that is your jack puck installation. Now I'm going to show you the actual use of the jack puck. You can see here we have a normal jack with no extra padding on it. I'm going to insert onto the jack pad, and you couldn't do this with your normal jack. Alright guys, and that is how you install this Verus Engineering Jack Pucks. It's going to make working on this car so much easier. You don't have to worry about cracking those other ones and all that junk. If you'd like to follow along, hit the subscribe button, and remember, make every off day a professional one. See ya.